Hi, I'm Tim Gibson. I'm going to talk to you about garage lighting solutions. And typically in a garage you'll find a couple lights that are mounted on the ceiling, and usually they're incandescent. Now if you do a lot of work in your garage, such as have a wood shop or work on motorcycles or work on engines or where you do some mechanic work, it's usually a good idea to add some more light so you can have adequate light in the garage. A great way to achieve that is using fluorescent fixtures, and it also will save you quite a bit of money to use fluorescent fixtures. Now in just your regular outlets you can use compact fluorescents. Compact fluorescents essentially are a wound fluorescent light that has a ballast built into it that screws into any light socket, and you can get a very bright light source, or a lot of lumens as it's measured in, with the cost of a very low wattage bulb. So in other words, you can achieve 100 watts worth of light with only a 25 watt energy expenditure. To supplement garage lighting, you can also use clip-on lights such as this. So if you're doing work in a certain area, these are nice because they will clip on any surface, and then you can adjust them any way you want to. In this case, you can use regular incandescent flood lamps, or this too is a specially designed compact fluorescent flood lamp. So again, it puts out a very high wattage, but the energy consumption is relatively low. In case this one, you're getting a par 38 lamp that only consumes 26 watts, but it will put out the same equivalent light as a 150 watt light bulb. So a significant savings on your energy. A couple other things we can do is you can also tie in strip fluorescent light fixtures. These type of shop fixtures are excellent for when you need a lot of extra light in your garage. And again, because of the low wattage that is consumed by these, and typically they're anywhere from 32 to 40 watts per bulb, then you can run these in and out of extensions in your existing light outlet. Now, whenever you do this, typically these are grounded devices, which means they have a power line, a ground or a neutral line, and then they also have a ground. So you'll actually have a three-prong plug-in. So what you'll need to do is, most of the adapters that tie into light circuits only have a two-prong attachment like you would find in a typical extension cord. So you've got to make sure that you ground that. The light fixture itself would have a grounding wire in it, so you would need to go up, tie an extension off the grounding wire, and tie it into the adapter to make sure that these fixtures are properly grounded. So I'm Tim Gibson, and that's some solutions for lighting your garage.